So hi, good afternoon to all of you. So hi, very good afternoon to all of you. Banana. Yes, all of you, very good evening. I hope all you are writing examinations very well. So whatever that examinations done, group 3 as well as group 4. Group 3, 2 exams done, group 4, 1. So yes, good afternoon. Yes, each and everyone, very good afternoon. I think after completion of SFM exam, till now, okay, 1.5 hour or 2 hours, you taken complete rest. Okay, some of you already started your preparation. Yes. So 2 minutes we can start. We will wait for others. Then we can start our discussion. So I will give you complete plan regarding how to prepare day before as well as 2 days before exam. Based on that, you can plan your schedule. If you have your own plan, please continue with that. No issue regarding that. Please take revision session. I will discuss what, okay, within these 15 to 20 minutes, I will tell you everything. So what is the revision plan, how I am available for these 2 days, all the things I will tell you. Please take the revision session. Okay, definitely I will take. So trust chapter. Okay. My trust chapter only 1 or 2 amendments are there. The last attempt video you can watch. So if you want updated one, I will upload it, but the same content, same thing. But I will try to upload it, no problem. Trust chapter related, I will upload it. Yeah. So I don't want to ask you this question, how you written the last examination, the past is past. Okay, whether you written very well also, don't think about it. Okay, if you are not attempting very well also, don't think about it. The reason, so they will evaluate your paper and they will allocate your marks. Don't think. Now 15 minutes only this session, listen. So now I'm going to give you my expected analysis. Okay, this all you can expect, but I'm giving some assurance from my side also regarding this. So CMA final, yes, direct taxation, 2 days, nothing but you are attempting one group only, right? That's why, yes, 2 days preparation plan for June 2026 examination. Now I am going to tell you, sir, how you are going to say the expected paper pattern. Yes, definitely I will give you the clarity also how I am expecting this paper pattern for the June 2026. Listen, December 2025 past exam paper. Next, practice test paper for June 26 and one MQP paper also released for June 26. And MQPs for the December 25. Same paper trend they followed. Now, based on that, the mostly we can expect in the same pattern our exam paper. But remember, okay, 1 or 2 questions we can get it as a change. Okay, example I will say, we prepared transfer pricing chapter anyhow. If they are given the transfer pricing chapter in second question also, we have to write it down. Okay, we are going to prepare the DTA chapter very well. If DTA chapter they given in a 5A and 6B also, we have to write it down. But based on these papers, we can expect this trend, and first you have to prepare these things. Okay. 2A, trust chapter. 2A, trust chapter. Yes, very easy chapter. If you allocated, that is already if you refer, if you allocated 2 hours, you can complete that revision. The mostly comprehensive sums they will give, including exit tax concept. Trust chapter. And next 2B, in assessment of various entities, we discussed the assessment of partnership form and LLP. That is only section 40B. In PCBP, okay, in some materials that will be in PCBP, but in my material I am classifying it as one of the various entity, that is in partnership form LLP we discussed, and always we are getting this question from the partnership form as well as LLP. You can prepare. Yes, you can refer our material, version 5 materials available in our website. Yes, at a free of cost you can download. The remember, partnership form LLP, definitely you will get in 2B. Definitely you will get. So please prepare this. So section 40B is talking about the assessment of partnership form as an LLP. So based on that. 3A, 3B, always we are getting the tax planning question, but don't think only tax planning means they will give individual SSC questions, or then after domestic company SSC. So tax liability we have to calculate by using the default tax regime, normal provision as well as optional. Don't expect this question, but please prepare tax planning chapter. Definitely you will get the question from the tax planning chapter. Don't think about it. But if you are preparing only tax planning in the area of tax liability, maybe they can give tax planning in the area of capital structure also, tax planning in the area of employee remuneration also, tax planning in the area of any area they can ask. Okay. Now, next business restructuring chapter. Remember, with respect to the business restructuring, always in my all last 5 to 6 paper analysis, always I am giving the slum sale, but they are not giving. Still now also I am saying first prepare slum sale from the business restructuring chapter. Then after the remaining things you can prepare. But I am expecting slum sale including rule, that is rule 11 UAE is there. FMB1 we have to compute. FMB2 also we have to compute. The same type we can expect as an first. Then remaining also you should prepare. Definitely you will get 7 mark question. Next. Non-resident chapter, already I uploaded the revision video related to non-resident. That is enough. Yes, in that I discussed the question and answers also. That is my exam oriented batch as well as regular batch video I uploaded as a revision series. Please watch this. Whatever the mistakes are there in the workbook, I rectified everything in that session. Next. 5th question. Sir, 5th question we can't expect properly. Sometimes, okay, mostly they will give these two, appeals as well as advance tax. Appeals means not only appeals chapter, please refer revision also. 263 revision, 264 revision. 263 revision, revision of order in favor of department. 264 revision, revision of order in favor of SSC. That also you should refer. Advance tax and interest, 234A, 234B, 234C interest, and 244A interest on refund. These 4 are the practical areas. 234A. Can you tell me what is that? Late filing or non-filing of return related. 234B. Non-payment or short payment of advance tax. 234C. Advance tax installments deferment. 244A, one question is there in our workbook at the end I given, that is interest on refund. Please refer that also. ICDS, Black Money Act, advance ruling. These are all our small chapters. Okay, these two maybe we have to take the time, but these are the small chapters. Please revise this. You can easily attempt 5th A, 5th B also. Next, sir, our favorite chapters. Okay, every CMA final students will revise these chapters. They will not ignore. Yes, 6A, 6B, DDAA, 7A, 7B, transfer pricing we can expect. Yes, sir, transfer pricing question they are going to give one more, that is in 8B also they can ask the transfer pricing. But remember, maybe they can change the pattern, but the weightage definitely they will allocate to the most important chapters only. Suppose Yes, they can give the MAT question here. They can give the trust chapter question here. They can shuffle. Tax planning entirely shifted to here. Transfer pricing also can be shifted to here. Anything also, but you will get the most important chapters in your question paper. Now, next, sir, 8A. This is also assessment of various entities, assessment of company. Mostly they will give MAT. Sir, that means assessment of various entities chapter. Yes, important, 2 7 marks. Assessment of company, assessment of partnership firm. Sir, here you should refer assessment of company. Okay, sir. This is an expected paper pattern. Definitely, we are going to expect the same. Okay. Sir, SFM as well as law, the same paper pattern they followed whatever we have in our MQPs and past exams. So that's why we can expect the same thing. But now, I will give you the much more clarity. Sir, I don't want to believe these things, sir. I also will not believe that many students are asking, sir, in which section, which question will come. Yes, this isn't my expectation. Definitely it will come in your exam also day after tomorrow. Okay, next, sir, what is that A category, B category, C category, sir? Okay, I already prepared very well. Now I will prepare everything. No problem, listen. A plus category chapter, if you prepared, you will get 70 mark definitely, including MCQs. Okay, including MCQs. One student asked, sir, what about the PCBP question? Yes, simply. They can remove these two things, they can ask the PCBP also. If they want to deviate from the trend, whatever the given in MQP, they can remove this question and they can ask the PCBP. Yes, any question also they can remove, they can ask the PCBP full question mark. Definitely, this is an expectation. Always we can, definitely they can ask the other questions also from our expectation, but most probably 1 or 2 questions will differ, the remaining things will be the same. But before examination, that means June 25, under December 24, always second question, entire question from the PCBP. Okay, this time PCBP, already I told the PCBP chapter, yes, okay, anything also, the PCBP also we taken, exit tax also we taken, everything also, no problem. Next, okay, listen, basic concept, Chapter 6A reduction, DTAA, transfer pricing, tax planning, business restructuring, non-resident, advance tax and interest, appeals and revision, trust, assessment of various entities, updated return. Remember, just I moved the PCBP chapter from this because, okay, if PCBP chapter came also okay, not came also okay, but we taken the sessions also, revision sessions also, but okay, for time being, so we have in 1 or 2 days. 1 or 2 days only. Today I think you are attempting one group means nothing but 2 days time available hardly. Okay, if you are preparing only 1 day, so maybe you are not able to cover that entire things. That's why I am moving to the A category, not C, A. Remember. Now from this definitely you will get the 70 mark question paper, and if you attempt it properly you will get definitely. Now I will tell you again. Sir, why you are given the tick mark, sir? In this chapter amendments are there. Basic concepts amendment, simply 115 BSc tax rates are amended, rebate concept amended, as well as rebate concept amended. These are the amendments are there. Now next, chapter 6A deductions also some amendments are there. In our concept book, you can check the initial page. I given clearly what amendments are there in every chapter I given. Not much amendments, very small amendments are there. You can refer these amendments. Definitely you will get the clarity. So transfer pricing, single amendment, block transfer pricing assessment. One amendment only there, block transfer pricing assessment. Business restructuring, one amendment is only there. So previously, if any business loss is there, we can carry forward in the hands of successor for fresh period of 8 years. Now remaining period of 8 years only we can carry forward, that is only amendment. And in non-resident taxation one amendment is there, that is nothing but the presumptive taxation provision. In non-resident chapter one amendment only applicable for us, it is a normal amendment, but it is very important, that is a presumptive taxation provision related, newly one provision inserted. Okay. Trust chapter, the specified person definition is amended. That means for trust, who are the relatives, that is only amended. Update return, time limit for filing the update return amended, and additional income tax provisions also amended. Please refer. Next, yes, PCBP. Yes, coming to the PCBP, whatever I given in the revision video and one or two comprehensive questions, please try to solve. Yes, that will be helpful for doing the questions of assessment of various entities also. Assessment procedure, one amendment is there, 143(1), very small amendment, ignore. But in search and seizure, block assessment is an amendment. I already posted 2 months back one video, block assessment related complete concept. Advance ruling, block money, ICDS, return of income, there is no amendments. So remember, first prepare A plus category chapters. Then if you haven't time, come to this A category. So these chapters you can prepare, and including PCBP also you can prepare if you haven't time. Definitely you will get time. And how to prepare every chapter also I will tell you, listen. So in C category, if you ignored also, no problem, for me also, for you also. Okay. Okay. Sir, no sir, I don't want to ignore. I already prepared very well in your regular batches. In EVO batch also you told this chapter. Now how you can say ignore, sir? No problem. Please refer at least powers of CBDT, MCQ purpose, powers of Central Board of Direct Taxes. These chapters you can ignore. MCQs, whatever we have, MCQs please prepare from the income from other sources chapter. Next, dispute resolution. Sir, remember in this C category, yes, if you want to prepare, wait, in this C category, if you want to prepare, just in income tax authorities, one section, that is nothing but powers of income tax, powers of CBDT. In income from other sources, MCQs only. That MCQ also now I will tell you. Sir, if any interest income or dividend income we got, but for investing that amount we taken the loan related interest we paid, how much amount of deduction we can get? Interest amount or 20% of dividend amount, whichever is lower. That MCQ already we have in our material, we can expect the same MCQ. Next, one more. So the remaining things are not required. That means you can prepare these two, collection, recovery, refund, as well as these things you can ignore. MCQs only you can refer in these chapters. The provisions wise, questions wise not required. Next, GAR, just refer that MCQs. Capital gains, exemptions, please refer. Section 54 exemptions only, please refer. That too, these exemptions will be helpful for doing the sums in DTAA chapter or any other chapter. So tax audit, if you haven't time, please refer. In tax audit we have an presumptive taxation provision. This presumptive taxation provisions only refer. Tax audit and clauses you can ignore, no problem. TDS, TCS, only amendment, please refer. Only amendments. Sir, what are the amendments? Don't ask me directly. I provided these sections related amendments we have. These sections related amendments we have. Just refer it. Enough. Sir, for MCQs definitely these are important. Next, okay, penalties and prosecution. Some sections are important, don't worry, I will tell you what sections also. Liabilities in special cases, only amendments. Only amendments. Sir, this is the way you have to prepare. Okay, now I will tell you, sir, what are the things you provided for June 26 examination, sir, which I already provided. I will tell you. Revision series is available. Sir, 1 to these chapters already uploaded. So I will not say please try to watch again. No. If you are already watched, don't watch it again. Start practicing. Start revision. Sir, I don't know one chapter, sir. Okay, now you can take. Now you can take. So whether we should study to business trust, securitization trust, investment, political party, no. Business trust and investment fund. Business trust related one question we have, please refer that question. Investment fund, you only carry forward of investment fund losses, one provision is there, please refer that. The remaining is not required. Okay, business trust, one question we have. that question related, I think in the business trust chapter, first page itself summary. By using the summary business trust question you can do. Next, investment fund, only one provision, the carry forward of losses of the business trust, carry forward of losses of the investment fund treatment, that alone one concept please refer, and one question also we have in our workbook, please do that. Next, sir, many students are asking these two chapters also, but I am not uploaded separately. But in EVO batch, I think for first 2 days I taken the live in the YouTube as a demo session. In that first day and second day morning session, I taken these two chapters. You can refer it. And TDS TCS summary class also I uploaded. TDS and TCS summary class also I uploaded. You can watch. Next, you can watch means if you not watched earlier, now refer. Otherwise, no need. Already you referred, directly you can start your preparation. If you have any doubt, just go and watch. Otherwise, please message us in our Telegram channels. Next, please refer these MQP as well as PTP also. I think MQP removed from our website. So because of mistakes or whatever is there, they removed. I don't know exactly what is the reason why they removed also, but already some students downloaded. Yes, you can check with them and you can prepare from that also. Because today in cmainter examination, okay, I think last examinations also, we are getting some MCQs as well as descriptive questions from the MQPs only. So that's why don't ignore. One practice test question paper they released. I think one or two practice questions papers they released, as well as MQP they released. Please just prepare that also. Prepare means nothing but watch. Please take it out the MCQs now. Sir, what about MCQ sessions? Many are asking for this only. Yes, sir. I will say part 1, part 2. I think already available in YouTube. Part 3 is pending. Don't worry. Including PTP papers, MQP papers, I will come for the live. Mostly tonight or tomorrow. Tomorrow, that means both group students also will add. Definitely, I will take the live session of the part 3. Quickly, I want to cover no detailed explanation. Mostly, tomorrow morning I will take this, or tomorrow afternoon. Definitely I will take. Ignore about this part. Continue your preparation now. Sir, hardly I will complete this within 2 hours. Everything. PCBB chapter, I think assessment of various entities, non-resident taxation is there. The remaining chapters also I will cover. So again I am saying, all of you whoever asking the MCQs part 3, only one session I will take, that too 1.5 hour to 2 hours. Quickly I will revise the MCQs whatever we have, including MQPs as well as the PTPs. Next. Sir, tomorrow, okay sir, I will take the live. One more. These 3 chapters also I will take live. Penalties, ICDS, amendments. So I think you have in this list of amendments, whatever the important things are there for our examination, I will take these things. So remember, not detailed revision also, quickly I will do the revision. So hardly for these things, I need to 3 to 4 hours, or hardly the 4 hours, including MCQs as well as these 3 chapters revision. Penalties, we have one important list of penalties, hardly 10 sections we prepared. Definitely we can get 1 or 2 MCQs from those. Yes. So trust chapter, if you want I will upload it, don't think about it. But here the students are asking trust chapter. Hardly there is no change, but if you want to get the updated classes, give me 1 to 2 hours time. We will upload the trust chapter now. If you want you can watch, but don't waste your time if you know already concept. If you know concept already, don't waste your time. Next, coming to the most important thing, sir. Why you are not releasing the important questions, sir? Okay. Reason, ma. If you are going to prepare the transfer pricing chapter, I will tell you. Okay. I will tell you. Transfer pricing chapter. Okay. First, I'm not talking about all other chapters, just transfer pricing chapter. The first we have a concept of what deemed associated enterprises concept. If you referred our material also in transfer pricing chapter concept book, okay, if you are referring the handwritten also, remember After completion of this, we are going to refer which questions also. Concept wise classification I given. Go to this workbook and do one question. Each model, only one question is enough. One question, sir, if they are given the same question, okay, new question also easily we can. But revision means quickly you have to revise. Don't spare. For these concepts, sir, can I spend 1 hour, 2 hours? No, just revise and go. No one can remember all the things. Particularly, they will ask one question. That question you can write it on in your exam. Sir, I am not remembering anything, sir. I also not remembered anything. If they ask a particular question, I can write it down. Listen carefully. Yes, next we have to know the methods for computing ALP. Methods for computing ALP. You know already methods for computing ALP. Yes, transaction based cup method is there. Resale price method, cost plus method is there. Yes, open. Okay. In 6 to 19 cup method questions are there. You can practice 1 or 2 questions. That's enough. But model. Sir, if cup method question is given, what is the base we have to take? Price charged in comparable uncontrollable price. For that we have to do adjustments. That's enough. What are the functional adjustments we have to do? So no, sir, I want to get the important question. Already covered in revision session. That important questions only model wise. You can refer that. Yes, sir, format you should know. This is only, if they are given the new type of question also you can do. 1 or 2 questions for each model quickly you can do. Next, sir, if they are given the resale price method, okay, resale price method, these are the 3 questions only we have. One question you can take and remember the format. Format means, okay, price charged in resale price minus gross profit margin, purchase related expenditure. Like this, if you remember easily, you can write it down. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Next, sir, transfer pricing chapter anyhow we started, that's why. So next we have an transactional net margin method. We have an only one question in workbook, please refer that. Profit split method, only one question we have, please check it out. Next, yes, you can refer the advance pricing agreement provisions also. You have to refer the secondary adjustment provisions also. The most important, you have to refer section 94B, thin capitalization. Sorry, every provision and related concepts covered in the revision series. If you have a doubt, refer it. 94B, 1 hour video I uploaded. Definitely you will get the 94B question for the 7 mark, thin capitalization. Everything, yes. And one amendment is there, that is on block transfer pricing assessment. Tomorrow in amendment session I will cover. Otherwise I will upload the 10 minutes video also for the block transfer pricing assessment. So don't worry, I will be with you for these 2 dates. That means the today, that means if possible I will record this, and tomorrow I will take the live sessions also. Yes, and remaining things you have to prepare. But remember, these chapters, don't take any chance. These 3 chapters, DTA, transfer pricing, tax planning, the huge weightage chapters, you have to prepare every provision and related 1 or 2 problems. So that's end from my side. Again I am giving the clarity to all of you. Yes, part 3 MCQs I will upload. Next, ICDS penalties. Next chapter. Sorry, I forgot. Amendments I will take. So amendment means nothing but the mostly TDS and TCS amendments. Chapter 6A deductions amendment. In some chapters, most important chapters also we have an amendments. But all the amendments also I will take. Hardly allocate 4 hours for me. Yes, that may be today or tomorrow. The remaining things in your free time you can prepare whatever you want. Take regular breaks and remember, revision means revision only. Yes, don't start anything from the beginning. Just revise, close the topic, go for the next topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yes, thank you. Have a nice day. Yes, trust chapter I will upload, but don't think about it. 221 watching, no likes. You can ask with the viewers, sir. Okay. So they have to take the inputs. That's enough. Yes, thank you. Have a nice day.